Hey guys, it's now D-5 to our Kinabalu climb, and I need to pack. I need to put all of that and that into that. Ziplocs are always a must. Okay, good morning homies. Today we are starting the climb. 안녕하세요. Yeah, what's that? Okay, this is the feet. And you can't see much, but yeah, that's it. And now we're waiting for the train. The train ke bus, Bus.
Not fly.
Fly, The helicopter upstairs. Not gonna lie. Anyways, this is the base of Mount Kinabalu. You can see. Alright.
Okay, wait. I look at the okay. Okay, solid.
Okay. Nanti panas saya buka.
Nanti ya.
Okay. Should take out the film camera.
Yeah.
Let me do that. Wow. This is solidis. Hold this. Okay, what's up everybody? So actually right, it's super tiring. Woo. To be honest, didn't expect it to be this tiring, so
Yeah.
and we're only 2.5 km. Yeah, we're not even halfway. That's insane, I think. Woo. It's for the view a little, for the picture. That's why. dog. also not. Seriously, and then also really not as this tired. Oh, is it
The crib, the crib, the crib.
We in the crib. This is MTV and welcome to my crib. Welcome to MTV. Okay, we are the first ones to arrive. That's really good. We're the first ones to arrive. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, meaning don't know.
Too tired to think.
Too tired to think.
Yeah, to be honest, we're a bit too tired to think. But what it's just that there's no view at all. We come at the wrong time of the year, but it's okay. We made it up. What time is it? At 3 AM.
It is
And this is the scene. It's summit time. Okay, see you guys at the top.
Finally made it to the top. No speed, let's go.
Okay, we are here at the top of Mount Kinabalu. My hands are freezing.
Itu Mount Kinabalu.
Lagi open. Kawan-kawan. Walaupun cuaca tidak mengizinkan, betul. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Amin.
Gila.
We made it.
We made it We made it 1 hour ago. But it's cold.
Doggies.
Cold as dog. That's how cold it is. But it's a nice view. Look at this thing in front here. Really, really nice actually. I'm excited to see how the film camera pictures turn out. Although we didn't actually get to do Fata. Yeah. But it's actually it's good, you know, that we didn't because we got to do our subo instead. So I think subo is here. Jakarta is here. That's our thinking. We made it to the summit in how many hours?
Bro, I think like what?
3 hours only,
Yes, yeah.
or 2 hours plus. 2 hours plus to the summit. That was actually they say what?
Yeah, they say can't make it.
They said actually how to go down from here. It's slippery dog. Anyways, they said might not be able to make it. They say if wanted to do Via Ferrata and summit. We needed to make it to the summit by 6 latest. By 6 latest And then we were like, how to make it to the summit? By 6. And we started at 3. Usually the hike starts at 2. Usually starts at 2, 2:30 like that. So there's another extra half an hour to relax and do whatever lah. But we had to rush So anyways, we got to the summit then after that we solat subuh all, then tak sempat to the Via Ferrata. So it's okay we just took pictures. Now we're on our way back down. Right, solid.
Just to show how cold it is up here. This ice. Yang below aja.
Keras tau.
Thinking of bringing it back to Singapore. They say it's quite rare for it to have ice, but I guess we're lucky. Or unlucky